We're going to do a little unboxing of the oil catch can setup I ordered about a week ago. Ordered everything separate because I wanted specific things. So they're all from different companies. The catch can is a no name, so I mean, not really going to shout out companies necessarily. But first, and this is all for the Integra, by the way, if anybody is wondering. First thing is first, we got the two AN fittings that are going to be welded right to the valve cover. I'm going to put those on the front of the valve cover, so I'm going to have to do little baffles on the inside of the valve cover so it doesn't fill up with oil so quick. Then right here, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Right here, you got the whole, basically it's like an entire kit. Hold 1 second, hold on. Okay, now I got it out of the bags and everything. You got 12 feet of hose, basically. It's like a nice, I don't know what you would call that, but it feels good. It's also got the metal in there, so it's like official line. It's not like crap rubber shit. You get 2 of these AN 0 degree fittings. You get 2 of these AN 45 degree, which I'm not going to use. And then you got 2 of the 90s, the AN-90. So you got 2 of those, 2 of everything really. These ones are going to be the ones that's going on to the catch can itself. And then the 90s are going to be the ones that are going onto the valve cover itself. And then the hose connects to here and that goes out. Last but not least, we got the filter that comes with the oil catch can. We got the drain that comes with the catch can. It screws into the bottom. Then when you tighten this up, there's a hole in the thing that lets it drain right out of the bottom of this hole right here. So, and it feels decent. It doesn't feel like it's junk. Let me get this out of the bag and I'll be right back. Alright. Throw the bag over there. And this is the catch can that I picked. It's baffled on the inside, so we're not shooting oil out of the top, out of the filter. Right here's where this goes. That screws on right here. Just like that. And basically these go right here. Each one, there's 2 of them. And that's what connects the hose to the actual catch can. I'm going to pull this off and I'm going to throw this filter on real quick so then you guys get a good idea of what it actually looks like, and then I'll do basically a little review on how nice this stuff is and how good everything fits. So give me 1 minute. Alright, so I got that filter out, and surprise, surprise, it's like an aluminum. It's not plastic like I thought it was going to be. It comes with this little rubber, obviously the beveled end. You're going to slide right in here, just like that. Pops right in. Then this, we're going to take this, we're going to kind of just, once again, hold on a second, I can't do it with one hand. Alright, got it on. It's a really snug fit. So this isn't going to be one of those things where I'm going to be taking it on and off a lot, so we'll just leave that go. But this is pretty much what it looks like all put together. It's got this nice bracket. You see the welds look really nice. Welded all the way around, real nice. I mean, the quality, it was 50 bucks for just the catch can itself, which in my eyes, isn't that bad considering, I mean, I guess the quality of it. It doesn't seem like it's a cheap, chintzy, you know. You can look at some of these welds. I mean, the welds are nice. But it was 50 for this. Then it was another 50 for this whole kit with all the AN fittings, and then it was $4 a piece for the little aluminum welded bungs that go to the valve cover. Now, these this kit right here is made in China, I believe. Max Speeding Rods is the company. I think they're Chinese. I don't know. Pretty sure they are, because I think, yeah. Well, the parts manufactured in China. So let's take out one of these 90s real quick and we'll check it out. Alright, right off the bat, feels like any other AN fitting I've felt and held and used. I have expensive fittings that are on the car right now for my feed line. They came from Summit. So, and I mean, these feel exactly the same. So I don't really think there's much of a difference between, you know, these lines necessarily. But, you know, that's just my personal opinion. The threads are nice. Screws on there, nice. Obviously, this isn't the fitting that's going to be going on the catch can, but it's the one I have out, so. So, I mean, overall, I think it was like 120 or something like that altogether for everything, for whole, you know, nice catch can setup. I mean, this isn't some chintzy, you know, cheap, disgusting eBay, you know, catch can setup. I mean, the catch can is baffled, so that's going to be, you know, a lot better. I don't know if you can kind of see the baffles in there a little bit, but I mean, for the price, you can't really complain. So next video is going to be me taking the valve cover to get welded. I'm not sure if I'm going to record that or not, but if I don't, then I'll just record the whole installation of the catch can and the fittings and where I'm going to put it at and all that. So I guess that's about it. I have another video coming up. I was going to do an unboxing of a drag battery tray that I purchased a while ago. I have it downstairs. I was going to do the unboxing as another video, but I might just do that. I might just run down, grab it real fast, and throw it in this video just to get that out of the way, because I think the battery video, relocating the battery, I'm actually going to put the battery on the front frame in front of the front tire. That's where I'm going to put my battery now. I think I'm going to go get that box, and I'm going to show you guys the battery box now, and not do another video unboxings, you know, something small. I'll just wrap it up into this video. You know, I don't want to bore you too much. So I'm going to run downstairs. I'm going to grab that real quick, and we'll get this done. Alright, since I'm impatient, I doubt on this channel I will have a legit unboxing where I legitimately unbox something, because every time I get something I want to open it right away. So this box. Okay, here we have the battery tray. Really nice. And this is basically the tie down, and these go in there just like that, and then the tie down goes on it. And I'm actually really impressed with it. It's actually pretty nice. I think I paid like 40 bucks shipped for it. It's got all these holes right here for mounting, where I'm gonna mount it to right to the side frame right in the front there. So everything's gonna work out that way. I will shout out this company, however. They are upside down. Southwest Speed. You can order online. They got all types of shit, man. There's a lot of stuff you can get from this company. So, anybody looking for any type of parts of shit, hit them up. southwestspeed.com, phone number, all that type of stuff. But, the next video should be basically on the installation of the battery box. And then the one after that should be the installation of the whole oil catch can setup. So, be on the look for that. Like, comment, subscribe. Any new subscribers, keep an eye out. Channel's just starting off right now. But, we're getting there. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.